Jai Hind kids, how are you all? All are fine at your home? All are doing study? Very good. Keep it up. That work you are doing, I have seen. Very good. Excellent. Yes, so today our topic is subtraction and we will do the subtraction sum on number line. Okay, so we can see here first question is what is 45 minus 3 equal to? Okay, 45 minus 3. So we want first of all 45 on a number line. Okay, so number line we know we will start from 0, but here if it is 45 only, so we can start from 40 to 50. Okay, we will start from 40 to 50. Okay, from 40, 41, 42, like this we can start. So here 45 minus 3 means what we will do beta, here 40 on 45 we are, so we will come backward because subtraction we will cut, that means we will come backward. So we will cut 3 na, so how many steps we will come back? 3, 1 2 3. So where we comes beta, हम कहाँ आए? 45 minus 3, we are on 42. ठीक है, we will see we are coming on 42. So here we have the answer. We can check 45 minus 3 become 42 because 5 minus 3 is 2 and 4 as it is we can write. So 42 we can see on the number bond. 45 is the whole part and we can see its parts 3 and 42 because 42 plus 3 is equal to 45. Okay beta, we can do easily on the number line. Same if we have 38 minus 4. Okay, 38 minus 4 equal to what we can do? We should have 38. First of all हमें क्या चाहिए? 38. So 38 comes in between 30 and 40. So first of all we will make a number line between 30 and 40. Okay, so here we can see 38. If we are on 38, so we will come back how many steps with a 4 because here it is 38 minus 4. 1 2 3 4 and where we are on 34. Okay, so 38 minus 4 become 34. We can see by subtraction also 8 minus 4 is 4 and 3 as it is we can written here. So 38 minus 4 become 4. Okay, so we can see bonds also. 38 is the whole part and 4 and 34 it's parts. So we can see 34 plus 4 is 34 plus 4 38. Okay, so simply we can do on a number line. I hope all are able to do now how to do this subtraction on a number line. First of all we have to make number line, then we have to do its subtraction. Okay, now our next topic is subtract by crossing out. Subtract by crossing out means like we can see here 84 from 294. 84 from 294. Okay, crossing out means first of all we will write ones, tens, hundreds and we will write first of all 294. Okay, we have to write 294 and then we will write 84. Okay, then we will write 84. Beta, if we have 84, so here we will write 0. We can write here beta 0 because 84 it's ones and tens please. So let's see. 4 minus 4 0, 9 minus 8 1 and 2 minus 0 is 2. So let's see what is our answer. This. Okay, 4 minus 4 0, 9 minus 8 1 and 2 as it is we have written. I hope all are able to do. Next, subtract 38 from 191. First of all we will write ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, first of all we have written its place. So what we will write now? 191. What we will write? 191. Okay, cross out. So then we have written 38. Then we have written 38. Okay, so let's see here. 1. 1 is less than 8. 1 is less than 8. So 1 we cannot be able to subtract ओके, 1 से हम सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं 8 को. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन, वी हैव टेकन, यस, वी हैव बोरो टेंस, वी हैव बोरो टेंस. सो इट बिकम 11. तो ये क्या बन गया बेटा, 11. एंड 9 हैज़ गिवन, सो 9 become 8. Okay, so now we can start. 11 minus 8, 3. 8 minus 3, 5. And 1 as it is we can write. Okay, so here answer is 153. Okay, so next sum we can do, subtract 780 from 939. 939. Let's see here. So first of all we have written ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, we have written their place, and now we can write their place values. Like we have 939 and 780. Now let's start. 9 minus 0. Obviously 9 minus 0 is 9. Okay, 9 minus 0 is 9. Now 3. 3 minus 8 is not possible. 3 minus 8 is possible? No. So 3 become 13. 3 become 13. And 9 becomes 8. 9 becomes 8. So now let's start, because 3 is less than 8. So we have borrow from 9. Okay. So 9 minus 0, 9. 13 minus 8, 5. And 8 minus 7, beta, 1. Very good. So easily we are able to do. Where we need to borrow, so we can. Okay, so in this way we can do the subtraction sum. When it comes like from, we have to do like crossing out. First of all 939, first this term will be written and then this will be written. Okay, so 939 will write first and then 780 we will write. Okay, so there is no problem, we can do this kind of the sums. Okay, subtraction sum as from this, and crossing out we can do number lines also, that we have done. 45 minus 3, so we have to mention 45. 45 already we know it will come in between 40 and 50. Like 38 minus 4, so 38 we know it comes between 30 and 40. So we have done like this all the parts. Okay, my dear kids, I hope all are doing the continuous work. Okay, so if any problem you can contact me. Okay, thank you class, all the best, have a nice day.